Well, coming up, I remove my tire. I use a tool to push the piston caliper, and I use too much grease on my new brake pad. Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to change your front and rear brake pad in your Mercedes W210. First, you need to open the brake master cylinder cap because you will push the brake piston caliper, and this will result in increase the brake fluid. First, I will be showing you guys how to change your rear brake pad. To gain access to your brake caliper, you need to jack up your car and put your car on a jack stand. Remove all the lug nuts. Remove the tire. And for safety measure, put your tire at the bottom of your car. You need to push the guide pin at your brake caliper. Take the brake caliper holder. You need to unbolt two bolts from the brake caliper. This will allow to gain access to remove the brake pad. I use breaker bar to loose the bolt, then use ratchet to take off both of the bolts. Here I slide the brake caliper tool in between both brake pads to push both brake pistons in order to open the brake caliper. As you can see here, my brake pads are done. It's very good to do this brake replacement job. It's a good time to clean all the rust. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Before installing new brake pad, you need to clean all the rust at brake pad placement. This step is very important because the brake need to move front and backward during braking. Don't want the brake pad stuck at one position. Wipe and clean all the place we just cleaned with wire brush. After all of that done, we need to push brake piston caliper all the way down because new brake pad is much thicker compared to old one. After done pushing one of the brake piston caliper, next push the other one so both of the piston push all the way down. The piston caliper should look like this after pushing all the way down. What I like to do is I put copper anti-seize grease at the place where the brake pad will slide. This will ensure the brake pad will not get stuck and will move front and backward smoothly. For the brake caliper bolt, I use medium strength thread locker to ensure the bolt will not get stuck and will not get loose due to vibration. Tighten it using ratchet first, then use breaker bar to fully tighten it. It's time to install the new brake pad. I also use the copper anti-seize grease at the brake pad for both brake pads. Clean and remove the rust as much as you can. Last is to install back the brake pad bracket and pin. You need to push the pin from the back to the front. After you manage to do that, you are finished. Now, let's start to do the front brake pad replacement. It's almost similar with rear brake pad but only slightly different. You need to remove the secure guide. I'm using a flathead screwdriver to remove it. Next, I unplug the brake pad sensor. Now, unbolt both of brake caliper bolts. This is required to use hex nut. Then push the brake pad using flathead screwdriver to take off the brake caliper. push the brake piston caliper. For front brake caliper, it only have one piston. Push it until it flat, just like I shown in the video. Clean all the rust and brake pad slide place. This will ensure the brake pad will slide and operate great. Clean it with brake cleaner. Put copper anti-seize at the brake caliper slide, all four plates and the piston. I also put brake grease at the slider pin hole to ensure the brake pad slider motion would not get stuck. The slider pin hole are the both bolts for the front brake caliper. Install the new brake pad sensor. Time to put copper anti-seize to the brake pad. Make sure to focus on putting it at the slider guide and the back pin, or you can just follow as I shown. Install the new brake pad. The inside brake part have guide and will need to insert to the brake caliper piston. Also, connect your brake pad sensor. While the outward brake pad need to do place inside the brake caliper. I will put more grease at the slider bolt or brake caliper bolt. Afterward, tighten it back to the brake caliper for both bolts. Reinstall back the secure guide. Last, box back your tire and you have finished. It was that easy, and congratulations. Now you have the knowledge to change most car brake pad for front and rear. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. Until next time, drive safe and keep the love for W210 Classics car alive.